Guys, the art content on this app is seriously cracked, man. Look at this. This is making me want to go pick up a pen and study. This is amazing. Who's doing this? Who? Oh, back shots. Okay.
First of all, I'm a gay monkey. In Chinese, it's Ho. This is gay.
Yeah, what? What's up, guys? How's it going? So in the event of the Americans banning TikTok for a whole 24 hours, a lot of people have discovered this new Chinese app called Rednote or 小红书. So today I figured let's go take a look at some of the art and art tutorials on this app. Oh my god.
左右两点，既然有髂前双击，那相对的一定会有髂后双击。画一下臀中肌和臀大肌的分界。我现在揉的是臀大肌。 两对臀中肌和臀大肌共同构成了一个近似于蝴蝶的一个形状。不过我们大多数人做的模特这个位置主要是脂肪垫啊。当然最后我们还是要把它们接缝的地方稍微揉一揉，不要那么突兀。
Jesus Christ. So this should be a sign of what's to come, guys. Material tutorial. So this is a shiny dress. You first start off with some flat colors and then you add in the highlights, okay? Hard edges. And then the final step is to blend it out. This is beautiful. And I love this process. It's very simple, very technical, exactly how I would do it. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Okay, so this is a colored assignment, organized a few steps here to share. If this helps, it'll be great. Let's see, how did I translate? This is crazy. Let me just go through the steps here. Okay, so the first thing is just the base color, and then you add in the shadow color with the light color. This is exactly how I would do it. Next step is you blend out the edges. Again, exactly how I would do it. And then what is this? Okay, so step number 4 means that the light source is coming from the top right corner. So they decided to add a wash of light towards the top right corner side and also a glaze of darkness on the bottom left corner. So this just adds a little bit more contrast to the piece. Oh my goodness. Okay, so from the previous step to this new step, you're essentially adding in more shapes and more variation into the shadow side of the clothing. And the next step is you're adding more variation to the light side. So some wrinkles that you see on the light side of the clothing here. Last but not least, finishing step, you're just adding in some of the soft edges, blending out some of the hard edges, and you go from that to this. Nutty, bro. This is holy. Okay, so we got a bit of a process video here for this one. I'm already liking this. It's so nice and loose, very painterly. I'm loving the local colors that you have on the nose and the ears. It looks like he's out in the cold maybe. Oh, wow. Wow. And fast forwarding to 1 minute. Jesus. You gotta be kidding me, man. Wow. Okay. Pause. This is very nostalgic to me because during the time that I grew up in China, when I was practicing art as a kid, we would literally be doing this exact study every single class. It is super technical, but it really reinforces your fundamentals.
将四边对角连结成一个完整的圆形。
So what he's doing is he's starting with a box and then cutting out the corners to create a perfect sphere, adding darkness to the shadows.
轮廓的时候要严谨，将背景整体铺上颜色。
Adding darkness to the background.
将加重明暗交接线
Core shadow.
灰面的过渡层次
Okay, there's a bit of smudging
将
here.
交界线向灰面揉擦过渡
Wow.
将背景
Wow.
拿出，注意用笔的方向要随着球体的结构转折排调子。
Okay, that's an important point. You want to make sure that the tip of your pencil and the direction of your lines are following the overall shape of the sphere. Oh my God, bro. This is one of the best spheres I've ever seen, and it brings back so many memories for me. This is obviously very, very technical, but it is showing a lot of the important fundamentals of lighting, of values. I mean, if we just zoom in here and look at where the sphere meets the background, you can see there's no line here at all defining the silhouette. Instead, what you're using is just values. So here, for example, on the background, it's lighter, and on the sphere surface, it's darker. Whereas, let's say we zoom in up here, you can see the sphere surface becomes lighter and the background becomes darker. Now, if you zoom in all the way to the back, to the shadow side, you can see the sphere once again becomes darker and the background becomes lighter. So these are just fundamental kind of things that you want to know. What the gay community? Why is this on my explore page?
So for all the TikTok refugees, I'm very glad to introduce the gay community in China. First of all, I'm a gay monkey. In Chinese, it's Ho. This is gay.
Yeah, what? This is from a Japanese artist, Fujitaku. Incredible. I love the feeling of three-dimensionality in these bodies. You can really get the sense of foreshortening. I feel like I've studied this pose before. That is just gorgeous. I love how loose and expressive these are. That is fantastic. And boxes. Now, you guys know I hate boxes, but not in this case because boxes are perfect for putting things in perspective, especially difficult organic shapes like the body. It is absolutely perfect for understanding perspective. There's that. Maybe I'm ending my beef with boxes this year. Guys, the art content on this app is seriously cracked, man. Look at this. This is making me want to go pick up a pen and study. I just want to study until my hair falls out, man. This is amazing. Who's doing this? Who? Oh, back shots. Okay. God. You're just starting without the overall sketch? You're just drawing shapes? What an interesting process. Jesus, look at the beautiful use of shapes on this. That is oh my God. Wow. I'm tired. I can't do this anymore, bro. I'm tired of being in awe at every single post that I see.
通常中间3个脚趾头是弓起来的，大脚趾一般是平的或者往上翘一点。
哇哦！
脚外侧这个鼓包是指短伸肌的肉的部分，2、3、4、5脚趾都是指长伸肌控制，最后汇聚到胫骨的侧面，控制大脚趾的叫母长伸肌。
Oh, here's another process. Start. Wow. 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 Stop. This hurts my head. This is fantastic. You know, honestly, if every single artist in the world learned fundamentals the way the Chinese do it, bruh, we would all be so good. I don't even know what to say at this point. Every post I click on, I'm at like a loss for words. Like, this is insane. Look at the perspective on that. I mean, seriously, guys, come on. Look, I'm trying to do my part every single day, but our art education system has got to catch up, man. This is ridiculous. Dude, okay, how to draw overall shorts. Step 1, line art. Step 2, base color. I love that. Step 3, okay, you're adding some details, some shadows. That's great. You're adding some wrinkles in step 4. Step 5, more wrinkles, applying texture. Oh, truthfully, I've not seen a single post here that's disappointed me. And these posts, the craziest thing about them is they're only getting like 5,000 likes. I'm scared. Oh, what an incredible carrot. I know it sounds stupid to be praising a carrot, but look at the colors on this. Do you guys see this beautiful transition from orange to brown to pink? And then to blue and to purple in the shadows. Like, yeah, this is an orange carrot, but it uses literally every single color on the rainbow, and it looks so good for it. It's a gay monkey carrot.
头顶、下巴、左边这个轮廓、右边这个轮廓，去把这4个点定出来。定完了之后呢，如果有刘海就定刘海这儿，基本上看这种空气刘海都是一半一半这种比例。
Wow, dude, I love this. So what she's doing is she's measuring out the overall shape. She's measuring out how far this edge of the face is to the left side of the head and to the right side of the head. She's doing the same thing for the other side of the face. Like, this is just solid, good, fundamental stuff. This is so good. The skill and precision in these pencil strokes is astonishing. Like, to keep it so loose, but also to have such an intentional form is... Oh, there's the sketch. Wow. Look at that. I'm about to give up. What the hell is that? And this might be the best orange I've literally ever seen. Start with the line art, add in some base colors, exactly how I would do it, okay? You add in a little bit more colors, more contrast for the shading. Fantastic, dude. Oh my, that is incredible. Oh, and that wasn't even that was not even the finished piece. That was the draft. Are you kidding me? Dude, I'm What? 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 Oh my God, that is beautiful. That is so beautiful. Dude, I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now. When I first got this app, I was not expecting so much incredible art content on here, but well, color me surprised. You know, my people, they know what they're doing. And I think, I mean, this just goes to show how important the fundamentals are. Like, I get it's boring. Not everybody wants to do fundamentals all the time, but look at the results that it produces for you. Oh, this is cool. This is like a breakdown of the three-dimensional form of these objects. That's really useful. Now, this especially is useful for, you know, understanding parts like the limbs on the human body. This is great. I mean, the resources here for artists to use. Oh my God, I hate this. Oh, I remember after school art classes in China, we had to practice this. Oh, I hated this shape. This was my least favorite one. This is really a great illustration on textures and how to create textures. So you see on the left side here, you have a shiny pair of leather pants, and the surface has a lot of luster to it. So the rendering here has a lot more hard edges, whereas the matted piece on the left, you can see there's no hard highlights and there's no really hard edges on the transitioning between the shadow and the light. I love these lines. They're so loose. That is beautiful, man. Seeing all of these, seeing just how technical and how methodical the rendering and the drawing processes are for a lot of these artists, it makes me happy. It makes me proud. This is exactly what I'm trying to teach to the babies here in the West. You know, because I feel like art education here is just not as rigorous. There's just not as much emphasis on fundamentals. And a lot of people get started, you know, with just drawing stylized things like manga. And so many people just end up skipping out on the step of like understanding your fundamentals, you know, your values, your colors, shapes. I mean, look at this wonderful practice here. This just fantastic. Here's how to render a nose. Line art. Next up is flat colors. And then you add in a bit of shadows, a little bit more shadow. A little bit of blending, a little bit of highlights. This is so good. This is so technically good. The texture on these lips, are you kidding me? Line art, okay. Values, okay. We're getting a bit of colors here. More colors, a little bit more blending, okay. And then highlights. And, oh, that is so good. This is a drawing. This is a half an hour drawing of the hand. Are you out of your mind, brother? Oh, wow. And there's the process. That's a start. What? Oh, okay, I gotta stop. Listen, man, if you guys haven't gotten this app yet and you don't mind having another Chinese spy on your phone, please go ahead and check it out, okay? Just see this for yourself. This is incredible. Just from looking through this right now with you guys, the quality of work that I've seen is insane. And it's really inspiring me to want to go and practice, like right now. So yeah, there's some art and some art tutorials from Rednote. This gets a solid 30 out of 10. This is incredible. And if you guys already have the app, I am on this app as Sam Does Arts. That's me. I don't personally use this account or this app. This was started by my mom. So if you guys go and check it out, please be nice to my mom. Dude, I cannot believe my eyes. I cannot believe what I saw today. Anyways, guys, subscribe if you want to see more art content like this. Like this video if you like me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, okay. I gotta go study. I gotta put in the work, bro.